Today in the El Yucateco kitchen, we're making a 4-ingredient ham glaze that changes everything. This recipe is fast, easy, and the flavor is unreal. So if you're ready for this one, let us know by hitting that like button, and let's go. We have about a 10-pound spiral cut ham here, and we're going to be cooking this in the oven. They're typically cooked at about 325 degrees Fahrenheit for around 15 minutes per pound. So go ahead and get your ham in the oven according to the instructions on the package. Now, let's get started on our glaze. In a small pot or mixing bowl, add 2/3 cup of brown sugar, 1/3 cup of orange juice, and 2 tablespoons of your favorite mustard. Now level up with the bold flavors and kick of our El Yucateco habanero and Chiltepin. We're going to go with about 1 ounce today. Whisk that all together to combine and coat your ham generously with this about 20 minutes before it's done. Then get it back in the oven to finish up. Once you hit your final finishing temperature, allow it to rest for just a few minutes. Then you can serve with the remaining glaze and enjoy. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget till next time to kick up all your recipes with the King of Flavor. And we'll see you on the next one.